In this video, I would like to show you how to organize your platform stacks. This is nothing specific about platform, these are just more convenience things which are already being offered by the stacks add-on. So first of all, to have your platform stacks available, you can filter them here in the filter bar, like this, by entering the name platform. And as you can see, they immediately appear here in the stacks window. Now let's take this one step further. Mark them all. You can press Command A to do that. Let's first mark a stack. Command A. Now you have marked them all. Now right click on one and click on Add-on Group. And now you can create a new group from this and give it a title, like for example, platform. Now you have your platform stacks available at all times in this group. Now we can take this one step further and you can use this library settings. And the nice thing is you can set an icon size. For example, if you go to icon size small, and if you have enough space and enlarge this here, you can have almost all of the platform stacks visible without scrolling. An alternative to the small icon size is of course the medium icon size, which is also quite convenient. Like this. And of course, if you don't like that, go back to the large icon size, which most of the users are having. And another little feature is you can enlarge this sidebar here with your icons and have actually all the names being visible as well. That's basically it. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.